Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. In this video, we will learn how to set up dahua DVRs online. We will also learn how you can view your cameras online on your mobile. So stay with me and let's begin. Here we have a DVR and we have a camera connected with it. You can see view on LED monitor. Now we will connect the internet cable to it. Internet cable is connected now. Right click and click on main menu. Draw your pattern. Click on system. Now you will fix the time. The DVR will not work properly if time and date are incorrect. Click on save button. Make sure AM PM setting is correct. You can see time and date is correct now. Now right click and open network setting and turn on DHCP. Click on P2P and you can see DVR status is online now. Now open DMSS app in your mobile. Now register it and login. You must create a user password. We already have a user. Press add button. Press scan now. Scan QR code of the DVR in P2P settings. Press next now. And here you will select type of device, which is DVR XVR. Go down and select DVR XVR. Now make a name for DVR. I am typing which I want. And type password of DVR. Now press save button. And we typed an incorrect password. We will fix it. Press save again. Press OK. And you can see DVR is connected with mobile. Now you can see all of your cameras in your mobile. You also can see playback and you can edit parameters with your mobile. You can see old recording in playback.